A traveling masterpiece that redefines luxury, performance, and beauty is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Its modern, aerodynamic, and streamlined design lines, likely taken from the most current Sprinter, instantly project the luxury image for which Mercedes-Benz is renowned. Its large panoramic windows and sleek body offer an unparalleled interior visual experience, and its distinctive front fascia with its massive grille and multipurpose LED lighting gives it a commanding presence. A strong and effective 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, OM654, powers the RV. In a range of driving situations, its smooth 9G tronic automatic transmission guarantees a swift and pleasant ride. Most likely, a variety of power levels would be available, such as 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, with 400 Newton-meters of torque or 190 PS, 140 kilowatts, for enhanced performance. For more adaptability, all-wheel drive, AWD, or rear-wheel drive, RWD, are choices. From the minute you enter, the driver's cabin is visually appealing and well-designed. A large and fully integrated MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, display is anticipated to be part of the dashboard of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Another option is to integrate two large digital screens into a single device, one of which would be used as the instrument cluster and the other as the entertainment and control center. The driver will have instant access to a range of vehicle and motorhome capabilities with either voice or touch commands. The use of high-end leather, metal, and wood will give this room an opulent atmosphere that is consistent with the Mercedes-Benz brand. The inside of this RV hits the perfect balance between functionality and style as soon as we step inside. The living area's clever adaptable structure, which may incorporate an electric slide-out feature that may extend the space when paused, creates a big and comfortable place for relaxing or socializing. High-end leather sofas and chairs offer the utmost in comfort, while LED-controlled ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows with motorized coverings provide breathtaking views of the outside world while maintaining privacy. The bedroom area is meant to be a tranquil retreat. You would expect a queen or king-sized bed with luxurious linens and a top-notch mattress. You can maintain organization by having a spacious built-in closet with hanging space and drawers. Individual lighting, USB charging ports, and a hidden flat-screen TV will make every night seem like a five-star hotel stay. The restroom in this RV is a private sanctuary. Unlike conventional RVs, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome will include a spacious bathroom with upscale facilities. Included are a separate glass shower with strong water pressure, a gorgeous sink with premium granite, and a modern porcelain toilet. Features like LED-lit mirrors, clever storage cabinets, and efficient ventilation will make this area more living and functional. The centerpiece of this luxurious RV is the kitchen, which was created to meet the needs of the gourmet. It features high-quality equipment such as a refrigerator, freezer, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, and maybe a small dishwasher. Superior materials, like quartz worktops, are easy to maintain and have a sophisticated appearance. You can prepare delicious meals wherever you go with ergonomically designed cabinets that offer plenty of space for storing supplies and tools.